Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add subtitles to your videos using auto captions on CapCut PC. Select your video and add it to your track, or if you haven't done that, just import and select the video file. Go to text, and if you're up here, just go to auto captions. Select the language. It comes in a few languages. I'm just going to select English for this video. Then I'm going to press create, and it's going to create auto captions. Now this is a 2-minute video, so let's see how long it takes for the AI to generate. Not that long. And as you can see, it generates these subtitles. If you want to change the font, you can definitely do that. Maybe you want it to be like this one. And for instance, you want like a background so it's more visible, you can definitely add that in. You can also adjust the opacity so it's like those subtitles that are super visible. But you can also change the color of it. So if you have applied to all checked, it's not going to work. So if I select this for the third one, as you can see, this will be the only text that has this kind of effect because I didn't select apply to all. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!